The reason I pulled you out of the vehicle, okay, there's you and there's 3 other people in the vehicle.
No worries.
Okay, I am smelling a strong odor emanating from the vehicle.
Yeah.
Okay, who's been drinking?
Passenger and the 2 in the backseat, I haven't.
You have not consumed any today, all day today. Just be honest.
No.
Nothing?
I don't think so.
What do you mean? You don't think so? Is
No,
either
like, I haven't.
you have it? Okay, go and stand right here where my light is. All right, face me. Put your feet together just like this and hands down to your side. All right, go and remove your glasses. You can hang them right here on your.
I can't see without my glasses.
I'm not gonna have you walk or anything.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have you walk.
This side's broken because of my kids, so.
Oh, you can put it in your pocket.
Yeah, I'm just letting you know.
All right, baby. Any major head injuries?
No. I just have astigmatism in this left eye, so
Okay.
I can't do side to side.
Okay, well, you can follow my finger side to side.
Well, I can.
Okay, you have astigmatism in your left eye?
Yeah.
Okay, put your hands down to your side. All right. Any major head injuries?
No.
Okay, keep your head straight. Okay, you see the tip of my finger?
Yeah.
Follow that with your eyes only, okay? All right, Brittany. So I'm gonna ask you again, how much are you consuming today? Okay, then why am I smelling an odor of alcohol right now that we're talking face to face?
None.
You have none?
Honestly.
Okay. All right, have a seat. Stand right here for me.
That's fine.
Have a stand right here and don't move from there, okay? All right, stand right here for me where my light is and face the rear of your vehicle. All right, I see that you're wearing sandals. Do you feel comfortable walking in those sandals?
That's fine.
Okay, do you have any major problems with your legs? Anything?
I got nerve damage and a hip rotation,
Oh,
so I can't do the foot to toe like this.
Okay.
But that's fine. I can walk a straight line if you want me to.
Okay, well, let me finish my question first. Okay, do you have anything that's going to stop you from walking, balancing, or turning?
Yeah, because I have a major hip rotation and I've gone through physical therapy with it, so I can't walk a straight because I can't put my heel to toe.
Can you walk in a straight line?
If you really want me to, sure.
Okay, you want to? Okay.
Just so I can get home. Sure.
That's all we're trying to do, right?
Yeah.
I just want to make sure you're safe to drive.
Yeah, no, I'll do
Okay.
any test you want me to. I don't
Perfect.
care.
Okay, that's all I ask.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Brittany, can you imagine a straight line in front of you?
Yeah.
About the width of your foot.
Yep.
Okay, put your left foot in front of you, and put your right foot in front of your left foot. Touch it heel to toe. Right there. Hands down to your side. And do not move from there, okay? Do not move from there. All right, you're going to walk 9 steps forward, touch it heel to toe, looking at your toes the whole time, keeping your hands down to your side at all times, and count out loud for me in every step. 9.
Okay.
Okay, count out loud for me in every step. Okay? Once you get on your 9th step, you're going to leave that forward foot planted on the ground. Foot. Okay. All right, Brittany.
I already know it.
Go stand right there for me. Face me. Put your feet together just like this. Hands down to your side. All right, Brittany. So you're going to lift the leg of your choice. You can lift the right leg or you can lift your left leg. It doesn't matter to me. Do you want to do the test? I just want to make sure you're safe to drive. Okay?
I'm gonna fail because it's cold, so I don't care.
You have a jacket on. I don't have a jacket.
You see how I have holes?
Okay.
It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna fail. So you
Well, let me explain the test to you. How about that?
already know. So
hold on.
hold like 6 inches up.
Brittany, you're everywhere. Just all
No, I'm very aggressive because I'm mad.
Don't be mad.
Because I know that I'm not. And if I go down to the station, I'm gonna blow a point up.
Okay.
So then you're gonna release me, and it's gonna be for nothing.
Okay. We're just trying to do the standardized field sobriety test.
I know. I'm just
Okay.
cold, so and I'm anemic, and I don't do it.
Okay.
So
Do you want to try it?
go for it.
Okay. Put your feet together. All right. Hands down to your side.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
So you're gonna lift the leg of your choice. Okay. Approximately 6 inches off the ground, about the size of a Coke can. Your leg's gonna be straight. Your foot's gonna be parallel to the ground. Parallel means level to the floor. Your hands are going to be down to your side at all times. You're going to be looking at that raised foot, and you're going to count out loud a series of 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, and so forth until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to show you. We're in this position, right? So you're going to lift the leg of your choice, okay? Approximately 6 inches off the ground. Your hands are going to be down to your side at all times. Your leg's going to be straight. Your foot's going to be parallel to the ground. You're going to be looking at that foot and count out loud 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, and so forth until I tell you to stop.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have any questions? Okay. All right. You may begin when you're ready.
2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021,
Okay, you can stop. All right, Brittany, you said you have a rotational. What was wrong with your hip?
I got in a car accident when I was 16 years old. I have a rotator pelvis, so I can't do foot to toe.
Okay, we're gonna walk over here. What's your highest level of education?
I I got my GED, and then I tried to get my phlebotomy
Stand right here.
license, but
Just don't lean on my unit.
I didn't finish college, so technically college.
Do you know your numbers from 0 to 100?
Yeah.
Do you know your alphabet from A through Z? Oh, I'm not going to have me saying backwards. I can't even say I'm backwards.
Yeah, I was all
Okay, but you know your English alphabet?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what's your dominant hand?
Right.
Your right hand? Okay, I'm going to give you a certain amount of numbers and a certain amount of letters. Okay, so the numbers I'm going to have you recite is starting at the number 56, count backwards to 39 and stop. Okay, start at 56, count backwards to 39 and stop. Okay. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions right now?
No.
Okay, you may begin. Did you forget?
59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36.
All right, and then your English alphabet. All right, I'm not going to have you recite it backwards. You're going to recite it forward. Okay, start at the letter H. Recite every alphabetical letter forward to the letter R.
Okay.
Okay, H to R, 4R. Do not sing the alphabet. Just recite every letter out loud so I could hear you. Okay, H, forward to R. Okay. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No.
You may begin.
Q, R.
Okay, and then you say which is your dominant hand? Right. Okay, I'm going to take off my gloves so you can see me. Okay, just watch me for right now. You're going to start with your pinky.
I have carpal tunnel, so
you could do it.
Touch.
Can you do it with it? Can you do it with that hand?
I can do it with this.
Okay, I'm going to show you. Just watch me.
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to touch your index fingers. Okay, starting with your pinky and your thumb. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's one pass. I do it 3 times. Okay. I'm going to show you that one more time, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's one pass. And you have 3 times. Okay, do you have any questions?
No.
Do you understand the test?
Yes.
Okay, you may begin.
4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, go and face my vehicle for me. All right, Brittany, so you're going to be placed under arrest for driving under the influence of and or DWI. Okay, it is 10:29 p.m. Okay, have a seat right there for me. All right, Brittany, I'm going to go and read something to you. Okay, all I need is pit.
Miranda rights.
It's not your Miranda rights. Okay, so just listen to me. Okay, no, it's not your Miranda rights. All right, just listen to me, okay? Listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for driving while under the influence of and or DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency, which is the New Mexico State Police. So I'm asking you, do you agree to take our test, which I'm asking for a breath test? Yes, okay. Open your mouth for me. Wide open. Pick up your tongue. Anything in your mouth other than your tongue and your teeth? No? Okay. 1031.
Tongue ring, so.
Yeah. No.
I know. You just had to document it.
Yeah. All right. Come
You're
here.
fine.
All right. Face my vehicle. No. Face my vehicle. Over here in the front. Right here in the front. Separate your feet.
I got the phone and I think my wallet. Okay. But that's it.
You have nothing on you.
No.
All right. Come on.
Like, I think I put it all in my car. So
Just watch your step. Okay. All right. Have a seat in there for me.